If you've ever wondered why saving money feels impossible, here's a truth nobody teaches. Your brain is wired to avoid long-term rewards. It's not a discipline problem, it's biology. And once you understand it, managing money becomes 10 times easier. Think about it. Your brain loves the now. Ordering takeout, buying something online, upgrading a subscription, it's all instant dopamine. But saving, budgeting, saying no to something today, your brain sees that as a loss, not a win. That's why motivation isn't enough. The trick isn't to fight your brain, it's to work with it. People who build wealth aren't more disciplined than you. They just use systems that make the right choice the easy choice. And one of the most powerful systems is something I call the friction flip. The idea is simple. Make bad decisions harder and good decisions easier. For example, move your savings to an account you don't check daily. Turn off one-click purchases. Put a 24-hour delay on anything over $20. Those tiny bits of friction stop emotional spending instantly. Then add positive friction. Automate small weekly savings. Set a reminder to check your budget once a week and keep a visual tracker of your main goal. These little boosts create momentum your brain actually enjoys. You don't need a huge income to feel in control. You need a setup that makes the smartest move the simplest one. When your environment supports your goals, your brain finally stops fighting you. Wealth begins with one shift. Design your system, not your willpower.